A very good morning, everyone. Hello, and welcome back to your science class. Well, this is fifth session of chapter number 7, Physical and Chemical Changes. Till now, in this chapter, we have discussed about various types of changes, difference between physical and chemical changes. We have also done two activities showing the formation of new substances in a chemical change. Then we discussed the difference between endothermic and exothermic reactions. And our today's topic is rusting of iron. You might have observed that sometimes there is a brownish flaky layer on iron door or window or any other iron article. This gives a very old and worn out look to the iron articles. This is referred to as rusting. Rusting or corrosion is the process in which a brown flaky layer is deposited on the iron articles due to the action of air and moisture. Rusting is a slow chemical change. The two conditions necessary for rusting of iron to take place are presence of oxygen, which is present in our atmosphere, and presence of water or moisture. During the rusting of iron metal combines with oxygen in the presence of water to form iron oxide, which is basically known as rust. Rusting of iron can be represented by the chemical equation Fe, where Fe stands for iron. It's a chemical symbol of iron, plus O2, that's oxygen, plus H2O, that's water. When Fe reacts with both oxygen and water, it gives Fe2O3. Fe2O3 is a chemical formula of iron oxide. This iron oxide is rust. Huge losses suffered due to rusting of iron in making bridges, bodies of ships, vehicles, etc. Therefore, various methods for prevention of rusting have been devised. We know that both oxygen and water are required for rusting, so iron articles should be prevented from coming in contact with air or water or both to check rusting, and this can be done in the following ways. The first and most common method to prevent iron from rusting is painting. A layer of paint prevents iron articles from coming in direct contact with the moisture and air, hence preventing it from rusting. Another simple method to prevent iron from rusting is oiling or greasing. The surface of articles can also be coated with a layer of oil or grease to prevent its contact with air or moisture. The best method to prevent rusting of iron is to carry out the process of galvanization. Iron can be coated with another metal like zinc or chromium. This stops oxygen and water reaching the metal underneath and thus prevent it from rusting. This process of coating iron with zinc is called galvanization. Galvanization protects iron and other metals from rusting. Another process to prevent rusting of iron is to make an alloy of iron with other metals or non-metals. In this process, iron is mixed with metals like chromium, nickel, and manganese, and non-metals like carbon to form stainless steel. Stainless steel do not rust like iron. Different types of utensils we are using in our home are generally made of stainless steel, and for the same reason they do not rust even when frequently used in water.
I don't believe this.